A noun is a naming word. Simply, a noun is a word that names a person, animal, place, and a thing. Things can be what we can see. Things can be what we can hear. Things can be what we can taste. Things can be what we can smell. Things can be what we can touch. Things can be what we can feel. Cat, parrot, fish, snake, bug, animal, flowers, clouds, van, kite. Things what you can see. Fear, love, anger. Things what we can feel. Temple, country, town, shop, place. Music, song, sound. Things what we can hear. Ravi, mother, teacher, Mr. Roy, person. Apple, ice cream, milk. Things what we can taste. Desk, table, rain. Things what we can touch.